this is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here's when I'm going to show you how you can install your smart spotlight. That is from Tuya. As you see, this company, this is RGB plus CCT, so it changes color according to the situation. You can use your phone to install and you can change color as you like. Okay, let me take this off this light here. You can see the beautiful spotlight, and we put here, see how it is, and take out the manual from here, and we'll see how we can install. All the information is written. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can do also in Samsung and other phone as well. Go to cam and try to scan. I scanned and now is opening. Let's see, here you see smart applications, so you have to scan this code for iPhone. This is for Google, and here is the application. Hit download, open in App Store. Here we go, hit get button, that's all. The application is done. Here I hit open button, hit allow. So let's see here to move. As you see, all the information. Try it now, smart light pro mode. I hit next. I have to make an account. I don't have account. Hit sign up here to put your country name, password, other information. As you see, Spain, put email. I put the verification code. I'm gonna put a password and I will be back. So I connected the light with the power source. I hit plus button at the corner, add device. Now we have to continue. Tuya app is requiring following the access: location, network, Bluetooth, home data. So in this case, I hit continue button, allow once, allow, see the light is on. So let's see our app is detecting or not. Here I find my light is CascadeGU10. So I hit add button here. I have to put the password of my Wi-Fi. Put the password, I hit next button. Okay, after trying couple of times, finally I can connect my light here. Let's change the intensity. You see how it's changing. And now you see how dim, more intensity, color. See the color red, blue as the color I want. Beautiful red now. So lovely guys, you can play as you want with the intensity color as you like. So this is the way you can connect your Tuya light to your Wi-Fi and set up to your phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.